Where's your little tripod?
Safety's on.
I don't know.
I know.
You can't shoot, I thought you said. You're plugging it.
Plug it.
You get it too.
Up at the or bottom left.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wait. We're out. You're out.
I'm the one that ain't
I
gonna
put
hit that.
another one in.
I know. I
Bring your
gotta reload the
shotgun?
clip.
Oh, you did. There's a box of shells there for you.
Yeah, I brought them.
Look at me. I hit it. I could kill someone.
Here, if you want to reload that, reload that. Let me see the earmuffs.
No.
I'm about to shoot the
These
AR.
are mine. Put these in.
No.
Put
No.
Downrange,
Those are
downrange.
mine. I got them.
Kevin got them for me.
No, he didn't.
All right, you little heathens.
Tell him.
Shut the hell up.
Let me wear them.
No, you wear those.
I
Downrange,
can hear everything
downrange.
out of this.
Because you're not putting them in right. You twist them and then put them in.
Bro, please let me wear that.
How
gun.
nobody in this family got shot so far, I don't know.
Then I'm not gonna let you use my gun.
It's not your gun. It's Dad's.
No, it's not.
It goes in this way.
God, you're scaring the hell out of all of us, Chloe.
Hey.
Are you seriously gonna walk up on them like that?
Grab the phone. In my pocket.
Etiquette.
Or I'm shooting the gun.
What? Shooting the guns.
Close. Damn, she scares the hell out of me.
Ah.
Yeah, they brought all their guns.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
That's gonna kick her.
And nobody died. Yet. Close.
That thing is so hard to aim with.
Yeah. Your kids shoot better than you do.
Is it fully?
Missed every time.
That's a hard target, I think. That
Wait.
little one.
No, I'm gonna shoot. Tell Mammy I'll call her back.
Okay. We're in the middle of something.
My last bullets were there.
Is it in?
Yep.
Oh, it's
Yeah, she
Safety's
said
on?
I'll call her back after
Yeah,
she shoots.
she's all coming up.
Alright, let me see.
Go next.
Oh, you can't hear nothing out of your phone.
Try and shoot the little red target, probably the little metal one.
You see
On
it?
the right.
I want to shoot this thing.
Damn. Close.
Right there.
You know, every one of these kids is getting a deer. You know, like. Heck yeah! Heck yeah!
Nice.
I want to do it.
Shoot!